Hey guys, it's Judith here, and if you don't know me, my name is Judith Ward and I'm a clinical hypnotherapist, and today's tip is about the breath. Sometimes we go around in life and we are just kind of not even breathing. We're kind of doing lots of shallow breaths. We're rushing around. Our brains are so busy. We're feeling anxious. We're feeling stressed. What we can do is simply take a moment and breathe. So what we can do is we can call this 5-7 breathing. So we take a breath in for 5, and then we breathe out for 7. And then we repeat and breathe out for 7. And then we keep repeating until we feel calmer. What that does is allows more oxygen into our lungs, and it activates what we call the parasympathetic nervous system, which is the nice relaxing response. So if you find this tip helpful, comment below. And if you know someone who's stressed right now, share this post with them, share this video with them, tell them about it. A simple technique to get you feeling calmer. So have a lovely day and keep following my videos.